Day 155. The 5th month is over. It's going quite fast. So, my investments. Last month it was $11,059. Now it is 11,460. So I earned $401, what is nice. But because of crypto volatility, I don't really care. Then, what I did in the past month, there were like 10 days in which I wasn't programming because there were 3 days of programming conference, 1 day of crypto conference, 2 to 4 days with family and family events, and 2 days spent on my friend's bachelor's party. So it's around 10 days of not programming. But what I was able to do in those another 20 days, I improved exercise search. I added many new metadata to exercises. I was I added last weight and reps to the current exercise in training plans. I fixed many problems in training plans and adjusted the whole functionality to work properly. Today I tested it and it works pretty good. It drastically simplifies the whole flow of writing down my exercise sets and reps. Then I did many fixes in supersets. I've added multiple types of exercises, so not just reps and weight, but also duration or distance. Then I fixed chat for this support and did many adjustments there. I've added no internet page because there were some problem when you got disconnected, and now it's handled. And I fixed user profile as well because there were some problems. The profile was not persisting data it should persist and so on. So even though I spent just around 20 days programming, I think the progress is quite visible there, and we are almost ready for a new release in upcoming week, let's say, because there are a few tickets on our designer, so we have to do those. I have like 5 tickets which I need to finish. Was like 3-4 days of work. So hopefully we'll be able to do a new release and to promote it among new people. And what was today's progress? I spent a lot of time adding equipment to our exercises. So we have around 100 exercises in the app, and I was adding equipment to each one of them. So you can see, yes, I need for this exercise barbell and bench, for example, or dumbbells or Smith machine or whatever. And I spent some time discussing with a colleague of mine about supersets because there is still one problem there. But he is fixing it, so I don't have to spend any time on that. Yeah, and this was 5th month. It is going almost as I planned, because I planned that on 1st of October, around 1st of October, we will release a new version. So it will be postponed by like a week. So plan is going quite well. And then we will have a call with my colleagues and we will decide which way to go, because there are many different ways how can we basically go in developing the app. There is a way to do it for end clients, so regular people in the gym. Then we can focus it on trainers, focus it on influencers who provide training plans, or we can focus it on physiotherapists. And in upcoming week or two, we'll decide which way we want to go, because we can't do everything at once. Something has to start to generate some money, because from business point of view or money point of view, we are still in red numbers, and I pay all expenses from no, I pay all expenses from my money basically. And it would be great if it can at least pay for itself. And yeah, that was 5th month.